Hi guys, so in this tutorial we are going to learn how to merge or how to concat two map object into one. So there are various methods been provided by Dart for concatenating or merging two maps object. So let's check out each of them one by one. So there are various methods like spread operator, or you can make use of inbuilt addAll method, or you can make use of absent putIfAbsent method. So let's check out each of them for better understanding. So let's get started. So here I have a main function which is the starting point of our Dart programming language. So inside that I have created two map objects, you can see over here. So it has some key and value pair. So you can see I want to merge both of them. So let's merge it by making use of spread operator. So first of all, what I will do, I will just take this data type object and I will just create a variable by giving a new name, merged map. I can give, you can give it anything. So now I want to merge both of the map, that is map 1 and map 2, by making use of spread operator. So the spread operator is three dots and the map name that you want to merge. So map 1 I want to merge, and again three dots with map 2. Okay, so something like this. And now if I print by making use of print log, let's check what we get. Okay, so let's run this. So as you can see, I have merged both the maps into one and created a new map over here by concatenating it by making use of spread operator. So now as you can see over here, my map 1 has same key that is available in map 2. So we have duplicate. So what this spread operator does, it will just keep the latest data that is available. For example, the latest key is 6. So here we get 6 as the data of key 6. Okay, so this was the one way to merge map. Okay, so what this does is it will just create a new object for you, the map object for you, and it will just store in a address. Okay, so now I want to make merge both of this map, but I don't want to create new one. So at this time what we can do is we can just make use of a function called as addAll. So let me show you that. So here we can make use of map1 dot add all map 2. So inside this we just need to pass map 2. So what this syntax will do is it will just add all the data that is available in map 2 and add it into map 1. So it will just alter map 1 and add all the data that is available in map 2. Okay, so now if I print map 1 over here, so you will get the same result. So you can see. Okay, so now let's check out the last method by which you can merge two maps. So here as you observe that the latest data was getting replaced with the old data. For example, here I have C S3 and here I have C S6. So here 6 was getting replaced in place of 3. So I want to just ignore the duplicates. So if there are any duplicates in map 2, I want to just ignore that. So let's check out how we can do that. Okay, so for this we can just implement a for loop to map 1. So map 2 dot for each, we can just implement it, and here we have some functions parameters, that is key and value, and then here map 1 dot put if absent we can make use of. So inside first parameter is the key and the second parameter is a function, so like this. So now if I run this, so you can see the result that C did not get replaced by 6. So here we have just removed the duplicates or ignored the duplicates getting pushed or packed into the one or getting merged into one. So here if any duplicate is found in map 2, then it will just ignore it by making use of put if absent. Okay, so that's all for this video tutorial. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe. Proto. Thank you.